The Magnificent Seven stocks recently saw a significant decline in market value, with Alphabet and Tesla experiencing sharp drops. This was reportedly due to a shift in investor focus, moving from earnings to free cash flow.
Nvidia's expanded partnership with SK Hynix is seen as a potential breakout catalyst for the stock. Despite this, the agreement has not yet created a measurable market reaction, with Nvidia closing slightly down before the initiative's details were absorbed.
Escalade has received a speculative buy rating upgrade ahead of its Q2 2026 results. This upgrade reflects operational improvements, attractive valuation, and surging profitability driven by margin expansion, cost reductions, and acquisitions.
Sounds like a positive sign for the company. Vodafone Group plc anticipates reaching the upper end of its upgraded annual guidance after a strong start to its financial year. The company saw organic service revenue increase 5.2% in the first quarter, with growth across all segments.
Bannerman Energy Ltd, BNNLF, has released its Q4 2026 earnings call transcript.
Investors will want to dig into those details. The Trump administration announced new tariffs on 60 trading partners on Friday, reigniting global trade tensions. These new duties are introduced into a different economic environment, marked by the Middle East conflict and inflationary pressures.
Leading Edge Materials welcomes the Swedish mineral strategy, identifying mining as a strategic national security component. Proposed reforms include time-bound permitting, state-backed investment, and measures to improve local acceptance of new mines.
Fractus, a pioneer in antenna technology and patent licensing, announced it has reached a settlement.
That's a dispute resolved. EA Capitals. Theodore Xu suggests technical factors likely fueled the surge in Cxmt's shares on its Shanghai debut. He also notes that the memory chip industry seems to be approaching a cycle peak, influencing investor positioning.
Fractus, a pioneer in antenna technology and patent licensing, announced today it has reached a settlement with Geotab. This resolves their patent litigation.
Another legal matter concluded. Shein's Hong Kong IPO filing, published Sunday, did not specifically mention risks related to allegations of Xinjiang cotton in its clothing. This region is linked to reported government-sponsored forced labor programs.
That's a significant omission in their filing. Fractus, a pioneer in antenna technology and patent licensing, announced today that it has reached an agreement with Geotab. This resolves their patent litigation.
Fractus, a pioneer in antenna technology and patent licensing, announced today that it has concluded an agreement with Geotab. This resolves their patent litigation.
AI investment has surged, with hyperscaler spending projected to rise significantly by 2028. Despite strong growth from Alphabet, market concerns about overinvestment led to a substantial drop in its market capitalization following earnings.
AMD is seen as having a significant opportunity in the inference market through its GPUs, driven by innovative deals. Agentic AI is also identified as a major growth driver for the company's CPU business.
AMD seems to be making some smart moves. Monport is highlighting advanced light burn features for desktop CO2 laser engraving, as Lightburn remains a preferred software for makers, educators, and small manufacturing businesses.
Japan is exploring financing options from foreign banks for natural gas-fired power generation projects in the United States. These projects are part of Japan's substantial U.S. investment pledge.
Varon is highlighting healthy breathing habits and announcing the return of its popular lung-breathing trainers. This comes as more people focus on respiratory wellness and accessible breathing exercises.
SLB has received a buy rating, with analysts projecting significant upside and a dividend based on normalized 2027 earnings multiples. The company reported mixed Q2 results year-on-year, but strong sequential performance with revenue and adjusted EBITDA growth.
China's largest DRAM maker, Cxmt, saw its shares skyrocket on its Shanghai debut Monday. The company intends to use the proceeds from its IPO primarily for the mass production of memory wafers.
Nucor Corporation is scheduled to release its second quarter earnings report. The report will be made public after the market closes on Monday, July 27th.
Irish energy distributor Dcc Energy has agreed to a takeover by a consortium of U.S. private equity firms. KKR and Energy Capital Partners are part of this consortium in the acquisition.
A big move in the energy sector. Markets are currently experiencing an unsettled sentiment. Stocks face significant tests this week from upcoming tech earnings reports and the Federal Reserve's rate decision.
The Fidelity International Value Factor ETF, FIVA, provides low-cost, value-focused exposure to ex-US developed markets. It emphasizes large and mega-cap companies with a European tilt, suitable for international diversification.
Esquire Financial Holdings has received a buy rating, driven by accelerating earnings growth in Q2 2026. This comes ahead of a value-accretive acquisition that is expected to diversify its portfolio and expand its market potential.